Hi, first grade. Today we are going to be learning an addition strategy called the Easy 10 Slide. The Easy 10 Slide is a strategy that we use anytime we're adding a one-digit number to the number 10. We're starting off with 10, and when I have 10, I know that I have a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. Now, say I wanted to add 3. I need to add 1, 2, 3. Now, did I change anything about my tens place just now? No. I still have a 1 in the tens place, but I did add 3 ones. Let's see, 10 plus 3. Ooh, I can use my add-on strategy. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Now look here. When I have 10 and I add 3, this 10 is still going to stay 1 because I didn't change anything. But this 3 is going to slide up and it's going to change my 0 to a 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. That is the Easy 10 Slide. You're sliding up your ones up to the top. Let's look at another example. I start with 10, and I know that when I have 10, I have a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones. If I wanted to add 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Did anything change in my tens place? No. But I did change in my ones place from 0 to 9. 10 plus 9. Now, okay, we can still do the count on. It just might take a little longer. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now looky here. My Easy 10 Slide, I take my ones place and I slide it on up. So my 0 in my tens is always going to change to the number that I'm adding on to it. Let's look at one more example for the Easy 10 Slide. I start with 10 and I know that I have a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. If I want to add on 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did anything change in my tens place just now? Nope, I still have 1 in the tens place. But did this change my ones place? Yeah, I had 0 at first, and I added 5. All right, let's use our count on strategy. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. But look, our Easy 10 Slide, I can move up my 5, and it changes from a 0 to a 5. Awesome job. Okay, so we learned that with the Easy 10 Slide, we can add any single number to 10, and the tens place is still going to stay the same, but I can slide up my ones to change that 0 to whatever number I'm adding on to 10. We know that 10 plus 5 is 15. We learned that 10 plus 9 is 19, and 10 plus 3 is 13. Well, let me ask you something. What happens if we change the order? Here, the 10 was always first, and we were adding on a single digit number. But what happens if I have this? 3 plus 10. Well, let's see. Here I have 10 and 3. We can subitize, and we can still use the Easy 10 and know that 10, 11, 12, 13. That still equals 13, just like 10 plus 3 equals 13. It doesn't matter which order the question is in. let's look at another one. Okay. This time, what if I have 5 plus 10? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 10 is 15. Just like 10 plus 5 was 15. What about our last example? 9 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 10 still equals 19. Just like 10 plus 9 equals 19. It doesn't matter what order they're in, still equal the same thing. But we learned today that the easy 10 slide strategy means that we can keep the tens place in the same, and we can slide up our ones place to change that 0 to whatever number we're adding on to the number 10.